Welcome back to the channel. If you followed previous episodes and you've successfully purchased your WordPress managed hosting on Hostinger using GigPay, congratulations. You're one step closer to launching your website. So in this episode, I will show you exactly how to install WordPress on your new Hostinger account. The quick and easy way with no tech headaches. Whether you're setting up a blog, a business site, or online store, this tutorial will get you started in minutes. So let's dive in and let's get your website live. Alright, so they're already asking, okay, what kind of website do you want to do it for? Is it for yourself? Is it for another business? Okay, so in this case, because I'm doing this on behalf of the client, so I can say myself or my business. Okay, so say next. So do you want to create a website, or do you want to migrate a website, and all that? So in this case, we're creating a website. Okay, so we want to create a website. We say next. All right. So create login details for your WordPress account. Okay, login details for your WordPress account. So this email is already there. This is the email of the client, and then we're putting in the administrator password. Okay, so we put in a password. So we're putting in another password. All right, and then we come in, so we set that up, we save. So they're asking, okay, do you want to choose a pre-built website or you want to create a blank website? In this case, I want to create a blank site. Okay, so and then we're now supposed to select a domain. Now the client has already selected the domain he wants. Okay, you can see Iconic Integrated Resources. That's the domain he wants to use. So we put that. See, you have one free domain available. Start typing to use it. So you can see that's the website he wants, iconicintegratedresources.com. Okay, so we just select that and then we say next. Okay, register your domain. So okay, so it's asking which server, okay, do you want to use? Okay, the country is the United States, personal, company, select primary information. Okay, this is a Nigerian company, so we select Nigeria. It's a company, organization. Okay, next step. Okay, contact details. Okay, I'm the one who's going to be designing this website, so my name can be there, but the person's email can also be there. Then the name of the company, Iconic Integrated Resources. Okay, Iconic Integrated Resources. Region, Iconic Integrated Resources. It's based in Abuja. All right, so we're putting the Federal Capital Territory. Federal. Okay, Abuja, Federal Capital Territory. Okay, you can still put Abuja here. Abuja. Okay, so address, zip code, I don't think those are very necessary right now. Okay, your domain will register with these details. All these things can be changed at any given point in time. So let's finish. Okay, we need to put an address. All right, that's fine. So we can say why and finish the registration. All right, finish the registration so we can save this. All right, so it's finishing the domain registration. Okay, and there you have it. So where is your target audience located? We've selected the data center, the closest one we have. Okay, so France is fine. Okay, since that's the data center that we have, so no problem at all there. So they're installing the WordPress. Okay, so you can see the process is really very simple. Once you bought your hosting, and then you can choose your domain, and then they're setting up the website, or at least the WordPress backend, and then we can now take our time to design our website. All right, so you can see ready to go. It's time to build your online success. All right, so the website has been done, and you can see we are now here at our WordPress backend. So from this point on, you can now design your website. All right, so once again, thank you for being part of this episode. If you like if you've learned something new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button, please share, comment. All right, so thank you so very much, and see you in the next class.